So if Matt comes into my office one more time, I'm gonna lose it.
Hey, Aaron.
Yeah?
I dare you to eat some worms.
What, you mean like gummy worms? You've got it. Challenge accepted.
Joke's on you, man. I mean real ones that are still alive and crawling and raw and wiggly and juicy.
Ew, that's disgusting. I'm not gonna eat that. They're like slimy and gross, and they wiggle everywhere, and they're crunchy and juicy. No, I'm not doing it.
I double dog dare you.
No, Matt. I double dog dare you.
Let's do this!
Okay.
I'm gonna go out there and eat a worm.
I dare him. Double dog dare him.
Just in case you kids are wondering if these are real. This is, oh, they're real. Keep looking, so you know I'm not a magician. Cheers. You ready? Challenge completed! Get the tape!
He never turns down a double dog dare. All right.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.